We like to imagine Volvo is so obsessed with safety that the walls of its executive offices are lined with padding. Every table corner has baby bumpers for added protection. Everyone wears a helmet, and nap time is held promptly every afternoon at 2:00. Yes, Volvo is known for its safety record, and probably one of the reasons why it remains Sweden's only major automaker, and no Koenigsegg. You don't count, but you are oh so pretty. Speaking of pretty, Volvo has turned things around dramatically in the style department, with its designers penning some of the most provocative designs in the history of the brand. It's no longer Swedish women we lust after, but now the country's cars, too. Of course, the XC60 isn't the company's top-selling vehicle just because of its pretty face. It's actually a very capable crossover SUV with brains to match. We recently set out to discover whether the 2013 XC60 is indeed the type of vehicle worth living with, or if it's only worth a one-night stand in Stockholm. While it's easy to identify the XC60's exterior as adventurous, the interior is a different story. Less head-turning and more yawn-inducing. There isn't anything particularly dazzling going on here. Yes, our review model featured a lovely panoramic sunroof and a smart two-tone leather finish. And yes, generous swaths of metallic brightwork help spruce up the lackluster XA0 interior. But if our opinion amounts to anything, and it must if you're reading this, insomniacs would be better served spending a few moments inside the XC60's cabin to catch some Z's, instead of reaching for a bottle of Ambien. Too harsh, maybe, but Volvo styles itself as a luxury brand, so we feel compelled to judge it accordingly, especially when Audi, BMW, Lexus, and Mercedes-Benz